My truck is parked like right nearby, and as I was walking back to my truck, the Rheem heat pump turned on. Once again, perfect timing. It fired up like right as I was walking by. And it is running in cool mode, obviously. Again, it's like 73 degrees right now. Very humid. And there's the Amman, it's not running right now. Sorry for abruptly shutting off the camera there, but long story short, a couple of dogs got into a fight, and I wanted to go see if they needed any help breaking them up. No dogs got hurt. So yeah, there is the energy guide. Getting up close at that in a minute. Alright, where is the... This one just goes right into the wall. That one has an external disconnect box. My guess would be that one has the disconnect... Oh, there it is. Duh. Bolted to the side of the unit. Good old Rheem stamped octagon. And again, this is a 1999 4-ton heat pump. There's like an apartment building above the restaurant, and a lot of the people have dogs. How old is he?
Only 14 weeks.
Oh, I got him. Pit bull, right?
Yeah.
Oh, he's cute.
He's good. He won't run away. Hold on.
Did his ears just get cropped or something?
Yeah.
Hey, come here. What's his name?
Nortles.
That's a cute dog.
Yeah.
What'd you say his name was?
Nortles.
Nortles. Dogs are like YouTube gold. I was making a video. I know the guy who owns that restaurant. I was making a video of the heat pump for YouTube. Can I put the dog in the YouTube video?
Yeah, sure.
Anyway, I could have sworn I heard the Amman come on when I had the camera turned off, but I guess it didn't. And that pit bull was not the one that caused the fight. It was some other mutt. The pit bull is a good dog, and he's just a 14-week-old puppy. Nortles. So yeah, video of the Rheem running in cool mode. Oh yeah, is that utility body a Power Stroke or gas? You just customize them. Alright, now let's get back to the data sheet. Okay, here's the energy guide. It is a 13.10 SEER, so basically that rounds out to 14 SEER. And there is the HSPF, which is not bad, considering that this unit is like probably 7 to 10 years old. And even today, like I believe today the minimum government mandated HSPF, heating seasonal performance factor, is 7.70, and the minimum SEER, seasonal energy efficiency ratio, is 13. And this unit was either manufactured like 7 to 10 years ago, like I said, and this thing has almost 14 SEER and over 8 HSPF. That's pretty good for a unit of that age. And it has the Copeland scroll compressor, so it has the decent compressor in it. And the data sheet on the Rheem is long gone. I mean really long gone. Oh, let's go take a look. Manufactured in July of '99. And strangely enough, it says Rheem air conditioner on the back. Yeah, there's all the line set. Alright. I will come by when it's a lot warmer and make a video of both of them running. This is an Amana Distinctions 13 SEER heat pump, and it is a 4-ton. So both these are 4 tons. I'm gonna take a picture of the data sheet and send that out, get it deciphered. And this is a 1999 Rheem 10 SEER heat pump, 4-ton. Time to head home and upload all these videos. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.